Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. Today, I'm going to show Kansas City fans some Super Bowl food you could serve while watching the Super Bowl. Now, this is a little comedic, so if you're an Eagle fan, please don't hate me too much because I'm not a Kansas City fan. I like the Kansas City Chiefs. I favor more the 49ers, but you know, they didn't pay the refs enough this year. They had injured players, so they just didn't make it, right? So, first part of the Super Bowl food that I want to show you is the Kansas City Barbecue Eagle Pizza. Yeah, Barbecue Eagle Pizza. And I'm going to show you how I made this. Okay, so for this Kansas City pizza, I'm using that Just Roll thin crust pizza dough. I'm going to get this unrolled. We'll get it on parchment paper on the cookie sheet. Get the build on. Okay, now that I got the pizza dough sheet spread out, I'm going to attempt to make the Chiefs arrowhead here. And I do want to kind of save as much dough as I can. And I'm going to take it to about right there. Take it to about right there. Then we're going to cut in on the side a little bit. And then go down right there. Okay. Pull these off. I'm going to cut a little bit of this off because I think their logo just has a short little end right there. So I'm going to spread this out a little bit, round it up, make it a little edgy. How's that look? Not bad? All right, so for this Kansas City pizza, we got to have Kansas City barbecue sauce on here. Barbecue sauce, yeah, barbecue sauce. You'll see why here in a second. Now I have some freshly shredded mozzarella cheese from a bag. And we're going to add the cheese. Try to leave that little edge like the arrowhead has with the barbecue sauce as the border. We'll see if that works out. Okay, so far, looking so far, good so far. Okay, now, why use barbecue sauce? Because I have some pulled or shredded rotisserie eagle meat here. So we're going to put some eagle meat down on this Kansas City pizza. Kansas City eagle meat pizza. I think what I want to do is add some more of that freshly shredded bagged mozzarella on top, just a little bit. Top of that eagle. Okay, and you know what's next, right? We got to make the KC on here. Hopefully I can. You're right. All right. There's my Kansas City Barbecue Eagle Pizza. I've got my oven heated up to 400 degrees. It's on the convection setting. If you do it on a bake setting, you want it at 425. I'm going to throw this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll be right back. Just like that, 16 minutes later, we have a Kansas City Barbecue Eagle Pizza. You know, everybody's hating on the Chiefs. They've been winning and winning and winning. It's no different from when the Patriots were winning with Tom Brady, right? And it's really not much different from, let's see, last century, the 20th century, when the Dallas Cowboys used to win, right? They always won. Patriots, everybody is hating them. Everybody's hating on the Chiefs right now. I'm not a bandwagon fan. I would like to see history made, though. 3 in a row for the Chiefs. That would be pretty awesome. But if the Eagles win, hey, I really don't care. I just want it to be a really good game. Maybe it'll go into overtime. Who knows? But let me just show you some other Super Bowl food for Kansas City Chiefs fans. Okay, before I show you all the Super Bowl food for Kansas City Chiefs fans, check this out. Right? Okay, so I'm about to show you a lot of dishes that you can make with eagle. Not the bald eagle, not the golden eagle. That was a Philadelphia eagle. In Philadelphia, that's what their eagles look like, right? Okay. Let's get to the Super Bowl food right now. All right, one fan favorite is a smoked whole eagle. How about eagle pot pie? Oh yeah, that's a fan favorite too. And then we got, of course, if you want some Oriental, we got some eagle egg rolls. We got eagle breast with barbecue sauce. Oh, what about spatchcock eagle? Sure. While we're doing it, we might as well have a frog cut eagle. How about lollipop eagle? Bacon wrapped lollipop eagles. Yep. How about rotisserie eagle? That's what I used on that pizza right there. Rotisserie eagle. How about green chili eagle enchiladas? Eagle legs. Oh yeah, the whole legs. And here we got chicken fried eagle. We got eagle chili. Yeah, eagle chili. And we got some little baby eagle wings. And of course, we've got to have the rotisserie wings as well. All right. And then of course, we got an eagle sandwich. And eagle fried rice. Oh yeah. There you go. Kansas City Super Bowl food for your party. You know, I mean, I'm not sure what you'd serve the refs. Maybe a plate of money? I don't know. So anyway, go Chiefs, go Eagles. May the best team win. Or hey, may the best team that paid the refs the most win. I hope you enjoy your Super Bowl. Thanks for checking this out. It's just for fun. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.